Hello and welcome to PC Error Detective. Today we will show you how to start screen recording in Windows 10 using a built-in tool that is easy and free to use. In this video, you will learn how to record your screen step by step without installing any extra software. Step 1. Open the app or game you want to record, because Windows 10 screen recording works best when a specific application or game is active on your screen. Make sure the content you want to capture is fully loaded and visible before moving to the next step. Step 2. Press Windows plus G on your keyboard. This shortcut opens the Xbox Game Bar, which is the built-in screen recording tool in Windows 10. It is designed mainly for recording games, but it also works for many apps. Step 3. Click on the Capture widget, which usually appears as a small panel with recording controls. This widget is important because it gives you access to start, stop, and manage your screen recordings. Step 4. Click on Start Recording, and Windows 10 will immediately begin recording your screen activity. While recording, you can continue using your app or game normally without interruption. Step 5. Click on Stop Recording when finished, using the Stop button in the Capture widget or the recording bar. This action ends the recording and automatically saves the video file to your system. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tutorials.